Macquarie. So you have a positive rating on the stock and outperform, but the results that you saw posted were, you were pleased?
Very pleased. Better than expected. I think not only on the revenue front, but also we think the company is doing an excellent job with respect to managing costs despite the MAX groundings. It's been a real challenge, really, the past couple of years. You know, you've had the 737 Classics that got retired quickly. You had the accidents, and now the MAX issues. And we think really, especially as we start to look into 2020 and how we would be positioned as far as investors, we think Southwest is doing an excellent job, certainly from a cost perspective.
Do you, will they eventually take delivery of all the MAX that they've ordered, do you think?
Absolutely.
They will, 280 of them.
You know what it is? They have always been a much higher standard with respect to their training. And I do think when the MAX does come back, they are not going to have a huge training events like perhaps some other airlines. So I think as a result of that, you know, they are going to be quickly getting the MAXes back. It's a very cost-efficient aircraft. You know, and again, it does have to do with a lot of the training, et cetera.
Susan, Boeing has said that they expect to have the FAA, I am assuming, signing off on that plane being brought back by the end of this year. We spoke with an analyst yesterday who says he's not counting on it until March of 2020. When do you think it'll be brought back, and how do you factor that into your
what we've tried to do is, you know, be conservative with respect to what we're assuming for supply for the airlines, because we had recently upgraded the group because we do think there has been this cast of concern over supply coming in for the airlines specifically. And we had been anticipating first of the year coming in for the MAX. We don't think that's going to happen. We think it is going to be more like first or second quarter, and we do expect it to be more gradual. So, you know, we think given overly pessimistic expectations, you know, we're feeling pretty good about supply next year for the
Delta very quickly has gained some market share, stealing away from the companies that don't have the 737 MAX. You think those shifts stay?
No, I do expect that Southwest is going to be more aggressive. Yeah, you had mentioned him being hopping mad last quarter. I think part of it was his ability, you know, not to be as present as he normally is in the marketplace. So we do expect an aggressive Southwest.
Do you have a buy on Delta or United?
We do. You know,
outperform or buy?
We've got outperform.
Oh, that's your highest rating for?
Well, we have
what you use.
Yeah, it's what we.
You like Delta and United better than South? What's your favorite?
I would say our favorite is United at this point, followed by Southwest and then Delta. It's more valuation.